What's good, Mr. Pennistar in the building. Quick walk around. The side rocker panels have been removed. No more charger. Looks kind of plain, but I'm not used to it. I did a poll on Facebook. Majority of people were like, take it down. I was going to replace it with a solid stripe and get rid of those dashes, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or just leave it the way it is. I'll rock with this for a little bit. Anyway, just want to show you guys what it looks like now with the Batmobile. Ah, so different. Part of the maintenance. I think maybe I might black out the Batman face and the bat sign here. Gotta fix my rims. Gotta do a lot of things to this thing. Alright, just want to show y'all real quick. I'm out.